I built a $2,000 a month side hustle using nothing but ChatGPT and Canva. No fancy camera, no big investment, and no team. Just 2 free AI tools that literally anyone can use. The best part? It runs on autopilot now. I wake up, check my phone, and there's a new sale notification almost every day. And no, this isn't one of those fake make money while you sleep scams. It's a real simple business that I built from scratch, using my creativity and AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it step by step, how I found the idea, designed the product, created everything in Canva, and used ChatGPT to write all my titles, descriptions, and even SEO tags. I'll also share how I got my first 100 sales and how you can copy it today without spending a cent. So stay till the end, because this could be the easiest side hustle you start this year. Step 1. Finding the right idea. Before you can make a single dollar online, you need the right idea. One that's simple to start, proven to sell, and doesn't need experience or big investments. When I first started, I wasted months on random side hustles like drop shipping, freelancing, and print on demand. They all needed too much time, money, or luck. That's when I realized the smartest side hustles are digital products. You make them once, and they keep selling forever. So I went to ChatGPT and typed, "Give me 10 profitable digital product ideas that I can create using Canva and sell on Etsy." Within seconds, it listed gold, printable wall art, budgeting planners, daily affirmation cards, business logo kits, vision board templates, journal pages, wedding invites, and Instagram post packs. Then I jumped to Etsy to verify what's working. When I searched printable wall art, I found shops with thousands of reviews and sales, some earning over $10,000 a month from simple minimalist posters. I analyzed a few of them. Their designs weren't complicated, just short quotes in stylish fonts with neutral colors. That's when it clicked. This works because it's easy to create, evergreen and emotional. People buy wall art to decorate their space, stay motivated, or gift to others, so it never goes out of trend. But don't feel limited to wall art. If you're into organization, planners are amazing. If you love fashion, try social media templates. If you like journaling, design gratitude pages or habit trackers. The point is, pick something you'd actually enjoy making. It'll keep you consistent long term. Creating the product with ChatGPT and Canva. Now we make your first product. Here's the beauty of AI. You don't need to be creative. I went to ChatGPT and typed, "Write 20 short motivational quotes about success, peace, and mindset that I can use for printable wall art." Within seconds, it gave me perfect quotes. Then I opened Canva, clicked Create Design, and chose an 8 by 10 inch layout. Perfect for prints. I picked a simple font like Playfair Display, added soft colors like beige, cream, or pale pink, and centered the quote. Clean, minimal, elegant. That's what buyers love. To make it stand out, I added subtle graphics like a small sun icon or abstract line shapes from Canva's Elements tab. In 30 minutes, I had 15 different designs ready. I downloaded them as high-quality PNGs. Pro tip, always export in 300 dpi so customers can print them clearly. You've now built your first digital product. No design degree, no cost, no limits, and trust me, this is the moment most people realize how powerful AI really is. Setting up the store. All right, now it's time to turn your art into real cash. The best platform to start with is Etsy, because it already has millions of people searching for printable designs every single day. Go to Etsy.com, click Sell on Etsy, and create your shop. Choose a short, catchy name that fits your style, something like Calm Prints Co. or Mindset Studio. Add your logo and banner so it feels like a real brand. Next, upload your first design. Add a clear mock-up image that shows your wall art framed inside a clean room setup. This makes people imagine it in their own homes. Then, fill out your title, description, and tags. I recommend pricing your art between $4.99 and $9.99. since that's the sweet spot buyers love. But here's the real trick. Your Etsy SEO decides if anyone even finds your listing. I went back to ChatGPT and asked, write an optimized Etsy title, description, and 13 SEO tags for minimalist printable wall art. It instantly gave me gold like motivational quote poster, digital download, modern home decor. I copied those tags into my listing, added strong keywords like instant download and home decor, and hit publish. 4 days later, my first sale came in. That $6 might sound small, but it proved the system worked. Once you get one sale, the algorithm starts recommending your store more. After 5 listings, I began getting daily visits, and by 10, consistent sales. The hardest part isn't making sales. It's taking that first step and publishing your first product, making it look professional. Now that your product is live, we need to make your shop look like a real brand. This part makes all the difference. People don't just buy art, they buy trust. I open Canva again, search poster mockup, and use templates that show wall art hanging inside cozy rooms. I replaced the sample image with my design and downloaded it as my Etsy thumbnail. Instantly, my shop looked professional. Then I made a logo and banner using Canva's YouTube banner template. Clean fonts, soft tones, and my shop name centered in bold. Next, I used ChatGPT to write my shop bio. Modern printable art made to inspire your home and your mindset. Instant download, easy to print anywhere. That one line boosted my click-through rate. Pro tip, make at least 15 listings before judging your results. Etsy's algorithm promotes consistent shops, not empty ones. After my 15th listing, my sales started coming daily. Proof that professional branding and consistency build long-term success. Driving traffic and getting views. Even the best product needs traffic. Etsy's search algorithm helps, but if you want to grow faster, use Pinterest and Instagram. Here's what I did. I went back to Canva, created vertical pins using my mockups, and wrote titles like motivational quote print, download instantly. I posted these on Pinterest and linked them to my Etsy store. Pinterest loves art, home decor, and quotes, so these pins started getting clicks fast. Each pin is like a free mini ad that never expires. I also made a simple Instagram page for my shop, just reposting my Canva designs with short captions. Within a month, Instagram brought me 10% of my total sales. Pro tip, in your Etsy description, add a small call out like, follow us on Pinterest for daily inspiration. It keeps your brand growing everywhere. The more eyes you get, the more Etsy recommends your listings, which means more organic sales without ads. Automating the whole system. Now comes the best part. Automation. Once your listings are live, Etsy automatically delivers files to customers after purchase. You don't need to send anything manually. ChatGPT handles content and descriptions. Canva creates the designs and mockups. Etsy takes care of payment and delivery. All that's left for you is checking your dashboard and uploading new items weekly. I call it the AI flywheel. Create once, earn forever. I scheduled 1 day a week to make 5 new designs, and my income kept growing without extra effort. Want to scale? Duplicate your best sellers with new quotes, colors, or layouts. That's exactly how I went from $200 a month to $2,000. Small improvements, repeated often, make big results. And remember, every new product becomes a new income stream that can sell 24/7, even while you sleep. Reality check and motivation. Let's keep it real. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. The first week, I made 1 sale. The second, maybe 3. But after consistent uploads and better titles, sales grew daily. That's how every real business works. Slow start, fast growth later. The secret is consistency. If you can dedicate just 2 hours a day, you can build something that pays you for years. Don't get discouraged if results are slow at first. Etsy rewards long-term sellers. Set small goals, $10 a day, then $30, then $100. That's exactly how I hit $2,000 a month. Most people quit too soon, but those who stay consistent always win. You're not just creating digital art. You're building financial freedom powered by AI. If I can do this with zero experience, you can too. Let's wrap it up. ChatGPT gives you the ideas and words, Canva brings them to life, and Etsy sells them while you sleep. That's the complete system I used to build a $2,000 a month side hustle with zero investment. It's simple, repeatable, and completely free to start. I've linked a free document below that includes my exact ChatGPT prompts, Canva template sizes, and mock-up resources. You can use them today to start your own digital shop. And if you want to learn more, join my free community. I share new profitable niches and help you scale faster. Don't wait for the perfect time, just start today. Hit subscribe, drop a comment saying I'm in, and let's grow together. This is Pablo AI, helping you use AI smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.